Hello students, today we are going to do the poem My Mother at 66, written by Kamala Das. We all know aging is a natural process, yet the fear of separation from our loved ones is very painful. The poem talks about the feelings of loneliness that aged people experience and the feeling of guilt which their children experience for not being able to be with their parents in their old age. So, this poem, if I would say that it gives a message to the youth of today that don't be so busy in fulfilling your desires and wishes that you forget to take care of your elderly parents when they need you the most. At the time, situation can be binding one. One should never forget to show one's love, affection and concern for one's parents. यानी कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि एजिंग जो है वो एक नेचुरल प्रोसेस है, बट इवन देन हमारे अंदर एक डर होता है अपनों को खोने का. ये पोएम जो हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं ये सेंस ऑफ गिल्ट भी शो करता है जो बच्चे एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं, क्योंकि उन्हें ज़िंदगी में आगे बढ़ने के लिए, अचीव करने के लिए अपने पेरेंट्स को पीछे छोड़ना ही पड़ता है. लेकिन जो हो हमारे पोइट हैं वो एक तरीके का मैसेज देते हैं कि हमें अपने पेरेंट्स को नहीं भूलना चाहिए और ये एज ऐसी होती है व्हेन दे गेट ओल्ड दैट वी शुड शो लव एंड अफेक्शन टू देम. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द पोएम. Very simple and very small poem. Driving from my home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me doze, open-mouthed, her face ashen like that, a corpse, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked. But soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their home. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards, students, when you will read this poem, you will find out that this poem is written in only one sentence. Only commas are there. Otherwise, it is written in one sentence. Let's start. ड्राइविंग फ्रॉम माई पेरेंट्स होम टू कोचीन लास्ट फ्राइडे मॉर्निंग. जो पोइट है वो अपने माँ बाप के घर से कोचीन एयरपोर्ट की तरफ जा रही है एंड इट वॉज लास्ट फ्राइडे मॉर्निंग एंड दे आर इन द कार. तो वो देखती है कि जो उसकी मदर है शी वॉज सिटिंग बिसाइड हर, वो उसके पास में बैठी है. डोज मीन्स फीलिंग स्लीपी. ओपन माउथ बिकॉज ऑफ द ओल्ड एज, ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम्स are there, so she is dozing, feeling sleepy, यानी उनको थोड़ी थोड़ी नींद आ रही है, उनका मुंह खुला हुआ है और चेहरा जो है ashen, grayish, colorless, yellowish you can say, like that of a corpse. corpse क्या होता है? डेड बॉडी. जैसे डेड बॉडी के अंदर जान नहीं होती तो चेहरा जो है बिल्कुल पीला पड़ जाता है, तो उनका चेहरा जो है बिल्कुल वैसा है. एंड रियलाइज्ड विद पेन, और जो पोइट है वो उसे बहुत दुख होता है ये रियलाइज करते हुए कि मम्मा जितनी बूढ़ी दिखाई दे रही है शायद उतनी ही बूढ़ी हो भी चुकी हैं. शी वॉज एज ओल्ड एज शी लुक्ड. बट सून पुट दैट थॉट अवे बिकॉज दिस थॉट वॉज वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग कि मम्मा बहुत बूढ़ी हो चुकी हैं. तो इस विचार को वो दिमाग से निकालती है. उसे निकालने के लिए शी लुक्ड आउट एट यंग ट्री स्प्रिंटिंग. कार से बाहर देखती है पेड़ों को दौड़ते हुए. स्प्रिंटिंग क्या होता है? रनिंग बिहाइंड. कार इज मूविंग अहेड एंड द ट्रीज आर मूविंग बैकवर्ड, सो द ट्री स्प्रिंटिंग. इसको आप सिंबलाइज भी कर सकते हैं इस तरीके से कि जो मदर है शी इज ऑन द लास्ट स्टेज ऑफ हर लाइफ और जो ट्रीज हैं दे आर एट यंग ट्रीज हैं तो फुल ऑफ एनर्जी है, उनके अंदर शाइन है, लस्टर है. तो दे आर स्प्रिंटिंग, दे आर रनिंग. इट मीन्स रनिंग इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ ग्रोथ. द मैरी चिल्ड्रन, और दूसरी तरफ वो कार से बाहर देखती है बच्चे जो बहुत खुश हैं, स्पिलिंग आउट ऑफ देयर होम्स, अपने घरों से बाहर की तरफ दौड़ रहे हैं. So these two things are portrayed in the poem to put a sharp contrast with the mother, who was without any energy and lusterless and on the last stage of her life. But both these things, they are full of life, trees and married children. But after the airport security check, now they had reached on the airport, so there is security check. Standing a few yards, तो अब जो पोइट है वो मम्मा से थोड़ा दूर खड़ी हैं. Standing a few yards away, I looked again at her. वो मम्मा को फिर से देखती है. हम जब थोड़ा दूर हो जाते हैं, गैप आ जाता है, then we can see the person more clearly. So she said कि जब मम्मा से मैं थोड़ा दूर हो गई तो मैंने मम्मा को फिर से देखा. Van, colorless, pale, yellowish, as a late winter moon. मम्मा उसे दिखाई दिया जैसे कि वो लेट विंटर मून की तरह है, यानी कि दिसंबर के अंदर जैसा चांद दिखाई देता है, फॉग की वजह से उसके अंदर कोई चमक नहीं होती, बहुत डल डल दिखाई देता है. तो मम्मा इज जस्ट लाइक late winter moon. Winter also stands for death, so she was looking as a late winter moon. Simile is also there as a late winter moon and felt that old familiar ache. ममा को देखा, फिर से देखा कि बहुत बुरी हो चुकी हैं, वही पुराना डर, जाना पहचाना डर. My childhood fear, वो बचपन वाला डर. Like in childhood, if you just lost your mother या मम्मा थोड़ी देर दिखाई नहीं देती, तो बच्चे का जो रिएक्शन होता है वो हिस्टेरिकल होता है कि मेरी मम्मा गुम हो गई है, अब वो मुझे कभी नहीं मिलेगी. सो द सेम फैमिलियर एक शी हैड, that she is going to lose her mother because she is too old. But all I said was see you soon amma. लेकिन फिर भी वो क्या बोली, सी यू सून अम्मा, कि मम्मा फिर मिलेंगे. ऑल आई डिड वो स्माइल स्माइल स्माइल, और मुस्कुरा रही थी, मुस्कुरा रही थी और मुस्कुरा रही थी. इफ़ आई से वाई डिड शी स्माइल स्माइल स्माइल, जबकि वंस एंड अगेन शी वाज सेइंग कि वो बहुत परेशान थी एंड दिस एंड दैट, बिकॉज शी वाज स्माइलिंग, शी डिड नॉट वांट टू express her fears that she may lose her mother because of old age. That is why she smiled. She did not want to give stress to her mother because she was going away from her mother. And why did she say see you soon amma? In the hope of meeting her mother again. क्योंकि उससे ये है कि ममा जो है वो शायद उसे छोड़कर चली जाएंगी, but she did not want to. She is in the hope of meeting her mother again. Okay, I want to tell you the poetic devices used in this poem. Let's see at first the similes. Her face ashen like that of a corpse. Then vein, we have just read, it's a pale as a late winter moon, I told you. Okay, then personification is there, trees sprinting, repetition is there, thought away, smile smile smile, metaphor, merry children spilling out of their homes, symbols are there, trees sprinting, married children and winter's moon. Now let's move to the question. If I ask you name of the poem My Mother at 66, the poet Kamala Das, where was the poetess going? She was going to her parents, was going from her parents' home to the Cochin airport. And what did the daughter notice inside the car? She noticed her mother looking pale and dull. And what state is the mother? She's dozing. Why does the narrator look at her mother again? एयरपोर्ट पे सिक्योरिटी चेक हुआ, उसने मम्मा को फिर से देखा. क्यों देखा? To reassure herself about the well-being of her mother. Did the poet share her thoughts with her mother? No, because she just smile. And why did she not share? Because she did not want to disturb her mother. And okay, now move to the question. What is the kind of pain and ache that the poet feels? the childhood fear of separation, and the sadness that is associated with the thought of losing her mother. Why are the young trees described as sprinting? The young trees are quite opposite to the poet's old mother, who is pale and aged. A tree symbolizes youth and full of life. Tree seemed to be sprinting while mother was on the last stage of her life. Why has the poet brought in the image of married children spilling out of their homes? The poet, while returning from her native place, sees the joyous married children coming out of their homes in the open to play. These young children, full of energy, are giving a sharp contrast to the mother, who is weak, dull, lifeless at the age of 66. So the enthusiasm and vitality of the children brings home more emphatically the painful realization that her mother may breathe her last any day due to old age. Why has the mother been compared to the late winter moon? The dull, weak, pale, aged mother is compared to late winter's moon, which is hazy and lacks shine and strength. So the comparison is quite appropriate, because the mother has lost the glow, vigor, energy, okay, because she is 66-year-old. What do the parting words of the poet and her smile signify? I already told you, parting words show the hope that she is going to, because she is very afraid that she might not meet her mother again because she was too old. So parting word shows the hope of meeting her mother. Her smile signifies that she didn't want to, because of the concerns she had for her mother. However, the smile was the hollow one. खोखली है उसकी जो मुस्कुराहट है, but it must have comforted both the mother and the daughter. I hope you must have understood this very little and beautiful poem. So children, take care of your parents, because they need you most in this stage of life. Thank you and have a nice day.